From you, yes. Do you happen to have samples? No? Oh, okay. Or sometimes, do you have like maybe sometimes like weekly special, like let's say like Tuesday special or Friday? Oh, do you have a clearance section? Like sale? No? Oh, okay. I guess I'm just gonna look, I'm gonna look a little bit. Okay. Okay. You know the M&M Rocky Ridge, right? So it's just chocolate,
The chocolate
chocolate.
and the nut or chocolate like the M&M is the chocolate and the M&M.
Okay, okay.
Then if they with nut, the means inside they have nut, outside the nut.
Oh, I see. So the vanilla bean cream, right? So it's like the inside
It's a
has the
flavored vanilla beans.
vanilla bean caramel.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The flavor like caramel and chocolate.
Oh, I see.
But the taste is vanilla beans flavor.
Oh, and it's 350. 350.
each.
Also, I think the bulk barn here. Did they close it down, the bulk barn? Oh, I think like in front of the dollar store there's a bulk barn, and maybe I just had to check. I think the bulk barn. They have. I think last year.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. The yellow sign.
Yeah.
They closed, I
They
think,
closed?
last year.
Oh, last year.
All the locations.
Oh.
All of them.
Oh, so I think there's two type of bulk barn, right? There's the regular bulk barn, right? So example, the pizza, over there, that one open,
But they're all
but
closed.
there's
I'm looking for another position they don't have to. They closed.
I think this one is called like bulk barn bit, like small bit, right?
So, and if you